This is Chris with Pools by John Clarkson. Today I will be going over how to change and operate the chlorine production and chlorine boost setting using the Jandy iAqualink app. Once on the app, click Web, click Menu, click Set Occupure. You will want to monitor the chlorine levels closely and take appropriate measures to maintain a 1.0 to 3.0 parts per million free chlorine residual in your pool. You can adjust the output of how much chlorine the cell can produce between the ranges of 0% and 100% by clicking Pool and typing in your desired output. The Quick Boost setting will operate the Occupure chlorinator for 100% for 24 hours. The Boost Setup setting will allow you to adjust the boost runtime from an hour to 24 hours. Boost mode can be used to increase chlorine levels quickly, and during a boost cycle, the chlorinator output is set to maximum and the filter pump will run during the cycle. The system will automatically revert to the previous saved output settings when the boost time expires. Thank you for watching and have a great day.